So you went for it?
All for it.
No turning back now.
There's always a way back.
You're prepping, it looks like, or?
You're funny. Give you prepping.
So you want to see, can I see a difference still?
No, you won't see a difference, Adrian. A, because you got your sunglasses on.
No, they're not sunglasses. They might, just so everyone knows, they're my reading glasses, except they have reactors, so the daylight seems to tint them.
So this is the first coat of the cream, but I've still got the white to put on the edges. So you won't see a difference yet.
Right, okay.
I've still got a bit of filling to do. Filling goes on at night when it can dry.
Well, it's 12 o'clock, so you're doing a quiet job, so I can leave you still working.
I can work until my heart's content, but the sun's out, so I'm not staying here all day.
No, yes, it's going to be, in fact, tomorrow is a glorious day, so do as much today as possible, because I think you'll be in the pool all day tomorrow. So I managed to clean a few more of these up. In fact, a few of these have had to steal from upstairs on the top floor, because I've run out now. I need to be replacing, I've started replacing a few, but some of these now are just not salvageable, so I'm having to take ones from upstairs, and I am running low. I've probably only got maybe a dozen pieces left, so fingers crossed. The ones I looked at actually down by the stairway don't look too bad, but again, I thought some of these were okay till I started cleaning them up. Anyhow, they can go in possibly tomorrow afternoon. They've all been xylophane. I'll get them screwed down, and then another xylophane on top, and then it will be, as the others, one coat of Osmo. Another job we need to do, unfortunately, our good friends Matt and Dave are actually back in the UK. In fact, Dave's daughter got married the other day, and I think they're still over there. So, unfortunately, I'm going to have to get on my tractor and cut the grass myself. Where are they when you need them, eh? You never know, they might turn back up here tomorrow or Wednesday. And then I need to get in the woods and just do the last bits for the Duathlon, the cycle race that's coming through here this Saturday and Sunday. So that's possibly another job tomorrow afternoon, stroke Wednesday morning. Right, just going to come up here and see how Alf's getting on. Alf's not getting on, he's disappeared. He's gone for a snooze. I tell you what, he is doing a cracking job. Have you showed much of what he's done up here? Because he really has. He's a trooper.
Not since he emptied that bed.
Yeah, so that bed completely empty, isn't it?
He emptied this one of strawberries.
Yeah, I bet he's probably lying in there actually. Alf, are you there?
I did give him the last one yesterday.
I'll give it to him, but not me. Right, so he's cleared out the back. I think he's going to rotivate that tomorrow. Not tomorrow, on Monday. And what else has he been up to? He's cleared that complete corner. In fact, brilliant job, because there was metal work in there. Well, there was all sorts, because I've just emptied it ready for the van for the Chateau. So, and there must have been 4 containers full of rubbish he's taken out of there.
Come and see this.
Oh, wow.
Ignore the weeds, because
Yeah.
Matt didn't get round to finishing that.
He'll be back, I'm sure.
But we've got a big cucumber there ready.
Well, over to the right, you've got 2 more coming on.
Yeah, one I don't like the colour of.
Oh, there's quite a few on here as well, I can see. So that's working really well, your little hang low contraption.
Oh, that's a whopper. That's a heavy one.
Is it?
Oh, there he is.
We don't need to water the garden because rain's due in. Oh, I got told off not having my shirt on. Well, there's the proof how much is cleared away just from that back bit. Quite a lot actually. Top man. And another one of those wheelie bins already in the van. So he's earning his keep, isn't he? Definitely. Right, the cycle event we talked about is this coming weekend. Got all this cleared away for them. As I showed before, this is a track coming down from our main gate. The only thing I do need to move is this log, because last year we put a ramp on there, which people weren't very keen on, and understandable. 24 hours going over a ramp, not probably good for the bike long term. No, I'm not moving that one, that's Carol's job. No, we've got a tractor, they're going to come in, one of the farmers is kindly offered to come in on Wednesday, and we'll clear that away. And as you can see, all this is cleared now away. Ready to carry on up past the side of the chateau, you'll see. Ah, tears hunting. And oh, Tier's not hunting. Up to round the side of the bamboo, just see there now through our main gates. And what a glorious view they get of the chateau as they come down. But obviously it goes right through the night as well, so I will floodlight the woodland just to be on the safe side. That's the last thing we need.
Yesterday Alf managed to finish emptying the bed and also take it to the tip with Adrian. He's now got the rotavator out. He told me I wasn't using it properly, so let's see if he's doing any better a job. As you can see, we're using EcoFlow for power. You wouldn't think he's 87, would you?
Oh, Carol's I've summoned all of us up here for our duties. What we all do? Alf's already at it.
Alf's in big trouble, aren't you, Alf?
What? Again?
Yeah. So I said, could you prune this bush, please?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he thought he was going to take it right back down to the stump. I said, you're having enough.
Do you know what? Good job you had that out, because I would have taken it straight back to the stump. It grows so quick.
No, so I've cut it to a certain height that I want it, and he's under strict instructions because we all know what Alf's like. Look what he did to this hedge last week.
Again, Alf, I think you've done a great job with the edge. What are we all doing? So Alf's obviously
Alf's
been...
on the bush, I'm mowing the lawn.
Right.
I get the easy job.
Is your mother
This
sunbathing?
way.
Oh, follow me. Of course, a nice breeze up here, thankfully. Oh, you're not sunbathing. You're shade bathing.
Mother's got a few jobs. Mother?
Few? I thought it was only two.
Oh, sorry, 2.
Which is?
She's going to dig up some potatoes for dinner. For
Potatoes.
a roast. And
Okay.
she's going to put the runner bean sticks up over in the bed that Alf cleared the other day.
Up there. Okay.
And your job?
I was hoping you were going to tell me what your job was, but it doesn't look like you got one.
I told you already.
My job?
Is to clean up all these sleepers. Now Alf's done an amazing job
He
up
has.
here of motivating all that, making it all level, getting all the rocks out,
What a difference.
getting all the old stinging nettles out. The only thing that you need to do for him is chainsaw this stump to the ground, and we'll kill it with some poison.
Yeah, because that's going to be impossible to dig out.
Yeah. Look, Alf's off already.
Yeah, you've had a go at him. I'm amazed he hasn't gone on strike. I would have walked.
Mother, what's Alf like?
You've got to watch him. Otherwise you'll end up with no tree at all.
She said you've got to watch him, otherwise I'll end up with no trees at all.
Short back and sides.
Right, let's get to work.
Yep, I'll put it on a time lapse. Well, hopefully that will keep Carol happy. That's all of that too high using the old joists. Now we've got to do is lay some cardboard down. Hopefully that'll be a good weed barrier. I was busy building a totem or her Indian tent, or whatever it is.
My wigwam.
Wigwam. See, I knew there was a posh name for it.
You missed a bit. You missed a bit, Carol. Missed a bit, Carol.
Carol's trimmed everything and now clearing up so we can get ready for the Chateau run. I'll let Carol explain what's happened to our bush. What did Carol, what did Alf do with your bush, darling?
I told him I'd like a circle, please.
That's a pretty good circle. It's got rounded edges to it.
He's missed this bit under here though. What a mess that is. He
What?
does a nice job and then leaves that bit.
He missed the corner on the circle, okay. You've done a good job, Alf. That warrants dessert tonight. More plums.
I thought Carol was trimming the stinging nettles under there.
No.
You only does half a job.
And bosses. I've got a secret for you, Alf.
Yeah.
I should have told you about this earlier. I wear the earmuffs a lot. Nothing to do with machinery. It's a block out Carol. Put the earmuffs on, you will not hear her. And you just go on as you please.
Don't forget my potatoes.
And we've gained dinner tonight. What have we got there?
Roast potatoes.
All I can see is hat. Oh, you're there! Hiding underneath. Roast potatoes.
Tonight,
Oh, okay.
roast dinner.
I was going to say, does that mean roast dinner?
Does that mean you're cooking?
Should we load the van up then?
Are we?
Might as well, mightn't we? Might as well get rid of all the work you've done. Well, it's starting to look like a bike course now, ready for Saturday. Crash net at the ready. I hope not. We cleared, and as you can see, the ribbon's up for the actual route through our small bit of woodland. The guys came in this morning with the tractor. As you can see, the logs moved. Now it just looks like a crime scene again, like it did last year. We're ready to go. Same again. I'll drop an EcoFlow down there for the evening. Put a couple of spotlights up there. So even though the bikes have lights on them, it's just be on the safe side as they come through here at night. But all in all, yeah, looking forward to it actually, and sometimes wish I was competing myself. The first thing you got to do, you got to get a medical over here to do any kind of sport, so I'll never pass that. Right, well, while I've been finishing off some more parquet flooring, oh wow. Carol set some challenges. That's looking really good up here. I'll do a once round. You just finishing watering now, for you?
Just watered my grapevine.
Yours, your one lonely one. Let's have a wander round. So this is the bed that Val was working on. She's getting ready for, I believe, runner beans and onions, I think. I'll have to get a confirm on that. The difference for when they came here, when Val and Alf arrived, that was an absolute mess, that bed. So what a difference. The end bit, as you saw, is all in place now, except for one plus thing is that Alf has dug out that enormous root. I mean, I thought that was going to be, we were going to have to poison it. Who dares wins and all that, get in there. So that's completely gone, so that's ready. I'm not quite sure what Carol's actually going to plant there. But this wall is south facing. So much as we'd love to put maybe grapes on there, I'm sure she'll come up, or Alf might even come up with something. Val's been in, I believe, digging out, well, the potatoes we have for dinner tonight actually. So in fact, yes, there we go. So yeah, all in all cleaned up. A bit more work I need to do on the sleepers, but I've got more to take out, so might as well get those out and then use the decent ones rather than just keep patching it. To finish the day off, I thought I'd give all of the lawns a short back and sides, so it looks all prim and proper, ready for Saturday. Unfortunately they won't see it, Val and Alf have been up doing the orchard again a bit more. Shame Carol's roses aren't out actually, because that's the first thing they'll see as they come through.
Yeah, go on, do it. Now.
Need the glitter.
Right, come down the steps.
Now, where are you going?
We are going to a special party.
We'll show you
60s
later.
and 70s party at La Larcelle for their good friends Mark and Tanya. It's their 50th, their 60th birthdays and their wedding anniversary too.
Right. We'll have a great time and we'll probably see you in the morning.
Yeah, in a ditch.
So we're off to the market, but accidentally took a wrong turn, but ended up at this beautiful sunflower field. See, they grow them for oil. I did try growing sunflowers in our field the first year we moved in, but they didn't take. Obviously they needed a lot more looking after than I could give them. Is that a cute little building in the background? But anyway, let's get to the market.
So you dragged us out to the market.
We went to the market, it took all of 2 minutes. So 200 stalls ended up being
20.
that.
That's because they're all out sunbathing.
Complete waste of time.
But you say it's a waste of time. Look at the chateau, which we haven't been to before. Stunning. Really nice here. A real sun trap actually. Today is going to be a hot day. I feel it already. Maybe we'll take a wander into the chateau because it's open. See if Alf can treat us all to coffee. Cool, you wouldn't want to replace the tiles on that roof. That would kill the budget. Wow. Well, as I thought, although the river's down there. But yeah, I feel like I'm in London actually, looking over the tops of the housing. Well, we popped back to Chateau to find the 8 little ducks. 2 little ducks.
Oh, God, hey. Look, watch this. Ready?
Ready? Way!